We are helping the community, making it better so that we can stop the violence. I'm a member of the Public Safety Committee, and one of the hardest jobs is trying to not build more jails, but try to keep people out of the jails and put more money into rehabilitative services and ways for people to get back to their communities and their families, even if they've made a mistake or two along the way. I'm also on the Health Committee, and we had a great hearing on health disparities in the minority communities, and the fact that there aren't enough doctors that look like all of you, that look like me in the community. And so what happens is that we are not getting the same treatment, the same diagnosis, and it's disproportionately affecting many of us here in the community. I'm also the chair of the Domestic Violence Select Committee, and we learned at the hearing that domestic violence usually goes from generation to generation unless we stop this cycle. And it's not just within the family anymore, but it is out in the community and affects all of us. And so we need to do what we can to stop domestic violence. And fourth, I'm on the Select Committee on Foster Youth, led by Assemblywoman Karen Bass. And she is doing such a fine job in terms of raising the awareness of foster youth. We are trying to provide more educational opportunities, trying to provide more health opportunities for our foster youth because they are also part of our community. And working on the 1C housing bond, trying to put more money back into affordable housing for all of us. Because if there's not enough housing for us, then that means more people are going to be struggling, they're going to be out on the street. And also as a member of the Joint Legislative Audit Committee, I'm glad that we audited the CSU system, and we pointed out the fact that the administrators, the executives are getting 25% raises, yet fees are doubling at our educational institutions, which affects our young people's future. And so we need to make sure that we are keeping tuition low, providing as many grants as we can so that more of our young people can go to school. And I think that we all agree on here in this room. So.